Movement pattern, 408 SLI, downtown subway station, cutscene with Nemesis, part 1 of 2, custom settings. I'm gonna skip right in the beginning of this scene. There's a little hitch, so I'm gonna skip that. Okay, testing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good work. Your reputation is well deserved. Get inside. The subway's about to leave. Carlos, Tyrell, you have your orders. You need to go back out into the city and find Nathaniel Bart.
This isn't the last van out of town, right?
Do not worry. Once the civilians are safe, the train will be back.
It's alright, you're going ahead. I'm not gonna die on you and leave you in a cold, cruel, Carlosless world.
Okay.
You need to find this scientist. His vaccine research could save us all.
You see? You're learning. The only life that matters is your own.
Good luck. Let's go.